NEURALINK has proved its brain implant in pigs and monkeys since going public in 2017, but has yet to commence the long-awaited human trials. The anticipated NEURALINK technology will allow people with paralysis to use a smartphone with their mind faster than someone using thumbs. This video reviews all you need to know about the NEURALINK Update 2022. So let's begin. First, the brain chip company, founded by billionaire entrepreneur Elon Musk, is working on implant technology that will allow individuals to communicate with machines simply by thinking. Dr. Matthew McDougall, NEURALINK's chief surgeon, says the NEURALINK presentation 2022 of the first clinical trial will start with a small number of human patients directed at curing paralysis or paraplegia. Musk has explained NEURALINK's chip as in a Fitbit in your skull with tiny wires, which is about 23 millimeters, 0.9 inches, in diameter. The implant is shaped like a coin and has electrodes studded on thin, flexible wires. People with severe spinal cord injuries will be the first to benefit from NEURALINK's technology, which will allow them to communicate, type, and react using their brain waves. We've had many promises from Elon Musk about NEURALINK's clinical trials, but it still hasn't begun. It was expected to start in 2020, but was pushed back to 2021. And then Musk stated last year that they would begin in 2022. Nevertheless, a human trial is a strenuous process, and it needs experts to handle such a task. The recent job posting from NEURALINK, which caused quite a stir on the internet, is an example of their determination to push through with the clinical trials. What might have been so exceptional about a job advertising that drew so much attention to NEURALINK? We'll go over NEURALINK job postings in depth later in the video, so keep an eye out. Another NEURALINK Update 2022 we can mention is the NEURALINK Monkey Pong, a video showing a monkey implanted with the chip playing the Pong game using only its mind. NEURALINK allowed the monkey to play the game using a joystick with the connected AI system for 6 weeks. They'd unplugged the joystick, but the monkey continues to use it, assuming it is attached, even though it is operating the game with its mind. Moving forward, the Silicon Valley company is looking for a clinical trial director to oversee human trials after successfully implanting artificial intelligence microchips in the minds of a macaque monkey named Pager and a pig named Gertrude. According to the Fremont, California employment posting, as a clinical trial director, you'll collaborate with some of the industry's most innovative doctors and engineers, as well as NEURALINK's initial clinical trial participants. You will lead and assist in the development of the team responsible for supporting NEURALINK's clinical research activities and building the regulatory interactions that come with working in a fast-paced, ever-changing environment. This is the first time we've seen NEURALINK's presentation of a job opening for potential human trials. That could indicate that the company is genuinely ready, or it could simply be Musk and his crew putting on a show. Do you believe NEURALINK is prepared for human trials or not? Let us hear what you think in the comment section below. In the clinical trial director job description, it is clearly stated that the person in the position will be working with NEURALINK's first clinical trial subjects. However, it's unclear whether the company has begun recruiting or collaborating with participants at this time. Not that NEURALINK can start testing its product on humans just yet, given that it hasn't gained FDA permission. There's a process FDA follows before approving a clinical trial, and we will walk you through the process NEURALINK has to go through with FDA before they can begin their clinical trial, so stay with us. NEURALINK explained how their technology works, but it still confuses people. However, the easiest way to think about NEURALINK's technology is replacing damaged neurons with circuits. Furthermore, according to the National Institutes of Health, NIH, a clinical trial is a research study in which one or more human subjects are prospectively assigned to one or more interventions to evaluate the effects of those interventions on health-related biomedical or behavioral outcomes. FDA constantly regulates a new drug or device for the safety and effectiveness of its result in humans. To get an FDA approval, you need to submit a protocol or research plan which contains purpose of the study, number of participants, length of the survey, eligibility criteria, schedule of tests, procedures, drugs and dosages, information to be collected. There are 7 types of clinical trials, and you will have to determine which type of clinical trial you are conducting. Again, the phases in a clinical trial are 4, and you will have to go through all 4 stages with the FDA. Also, you will have to meet the participant protection needs of the FDA. Thumbs up if you like FDA's meticulous process before approving a clinical trial. Many people disagreed with the NEURALINK presentation. However, many more people are also in alliance with NEURALINK. DrugWatch states that nearly 90% of new drugs and treatments that reach the clinical testing stage never make it to FDA approval status. This shows NEURALINK still has a hurdle to cross with FDA before starting the clinical trials. NEURALINK has the potential to restore complete body functionality to someone who has had spinal cord damage. NEURALINK is currently operating well with the NEURALINK Monkey Paw, and they are still conducting extensive testing to establish that it's very safe and reliable. Share this video with your friends who are interested in NEURALINK and will love to know all about NEURALINK Update 2022. Thanks for watching, and see you soon in the following video.